Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin actually bounced off after testing the support which we had from this lower trend line. I mean the support from this ascending broadening wedge, which is generally considered bearish, but in our case, after testing this lower trend line, we had a bounce. But I still want you guys to be a little bit careful. Yes, this is turning out into a bullish scenario, but I still want you guys to be careful because this here is a bearish continuation pattern, and along with that we are also forming a potential head and shoulder formation. Yes guys, if this bearish scenario starts playing out, if the price starts breaking out of the support from this ascending broadening wedge, you can see our price objective sits in between 80,000 85,000. That's exactly what I've been calling since a couple of days. I mean, I strongly believe first we are going to liquidate the over leverage longs, and only after that the price of Bitcoin is expected to show a continuation like this. So until then, please be careful. And why to be careful? It's not just only because of this head and shoulder, potential head and shoulder scenario, ascending broadening wedge scenario, but also because of this ascending channel or a rising channel whose support has already been broken. Yes guys, this ascending channel or rising channel upper trend line support has already been broken, and now this here, right, this here could be a continuation to the downside because the same line which in the past price action acted as support rejected us. You can see it very clearly here. We tried to re-enter inside this ascending channel or rising channel, but we failed, and now it's resulting in some corrective moves. So please guys, please, if this here is going to result in another continuation to the downside, then I just showed you, right, 85,000 in between these ranges where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted before finding bottom, before starting with an actual continuation in this manner. Because I personally think this is a bull market rally, and pullback in a bull market is going to give us a buying opportunity. So please do not get left out. Even if the price starts showing weakness, you know guys, that might be just a temporary pullback. And why this pullback here in the medium short term could actually make a lot of sense, because you can see according to our leading indicator, Bitcoin has reached one of the most important target, or let's say a no-brainer target for the month of November. Yes guys, on 1st of November I showed you with the help of this leading indicator that our first target sits around 76,000, second target sits around 82,000, and the no-brainer target sits around 91,000. and this indicator was very accurate. Yes, if you look at this replay from all the way from 1st of November, you can see the price of Bitcoin started a new month, a month of November, with an ascending CPR higher than the previous month. And we know ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend. And now if I start playing this scenario here, you can see we had a new ascending CPR, a November CPR, which was an ascending CPR which only gets formed during uptrend. That's why we focus on the target. Around 1st and 2nd of November, we were expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue with this uptrend, with first target around 76,000, second target around 82,000, and the no-brainer target around 91,000. You can see the price started finding support at this November CPR, right? And then got attracted exactly at this monthly R1 line. You can see which acted as resistance, but as soon as this resistance got broken, we got attracted towards the next potential target, which was this R2 line. And you can see we headed towards the R2 line, we broke out of it, and price after that got attracted all the way towards this monthly R2 line, which was our no-brainer price target. And we found out this price target on the 1st of November. So you can see this is exactly where we are, and this is exactly where we are facing resistance. So according to this leading indicator, you can see if the price of Bitcoin starts showing weakness, where is our next support? According to our leading indicator, our next support could be somewhere around 85,000, and that's also the support from this R2 line, which is around 82,000. So you can see 80,000, 85,000 will be looked as our potential price target if the price in the medium short term fail to break the resistance from this R3 line around 91,000. Yes, if the price of Bitcoin failed to flip this 91,000 into support, then this R2 line for the upcoming days could be attracting us. But even if this bearish scenario starts playing out, I want you guys to be careful. That will be just a temporary pullback because we are expecting this bullish trend to continue even higher, above 100,000. And why? Because around that area, we also have the support from this Williams alligator indicator, our another bullish indicator, which will be acting as support in case of a pullback. Yes, guys, during uptrend, this trend line, which is a bullish cross, will be acting as support in case of some shakeout. So even if the price starts showing a weakness like this, a move like this, please be careful. That will be looked as a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to continue higher, because in a bigger picture, right, in a bigger picture, you can see according to this Elliott wave theory, we are on our way to form wave 5. Yes, guys, this wave 5 is on play right now, right? It's being formed right now. So in our case, if the price is going to follow this higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, or from Elliott wave perspective, this is an impulsive wave. Wave 1, wave 3, wave 5 is impulsive wave. So if we are going to form this new impulsive wave, right, you can see the price of Bitcoin is expected to go higher than 100,000. And only after that, we are going to continue with this corrective move, A, B, C. So first, we have to complete this impulsive wave, wave 5, and only after that we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show weakness. But if we look at the price action of Bitcoin right now using this Binance Bitcoin USD liquidity heat map, you can see according to this heat map in a 24-hour, we have huge liquidity clusters lying around 92, 93,000. So in a 24-hour time frame, price of Bitcoin could actually show some bullish move around 92, 93,000. And if you simply zoom out and look at this in a weekly time frame, we have liquidity clusters around 92, 93,000. So in the medium short term first, if the price starts showing bullish move, then we are going to look this 92, 93 as a retest, and then slowly get attracted back towards this price objective, and only after that start with an actual bullish move. Because we know that in a bigger picture, Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. I mean, if you look at this monthly time frame, if you look at this pre-halving, post-halving shakeout scenario, you can see so far everything is playing out perfectly. I mean, if you look at this first halving from 2012, you can see before the halving, after completing this bull and bear phase, price of Bitcoin was following this rising trend line, also known as an expansion phase. In this expansion phase, we were testing the support from this trend line again and again, which was acting as support, which was also resulting in a bullish move. But when the price went through the first halving, you can see what happened after that. Bitcoin got attracted back towards this expansion trend line, and only after that, an actual parabolic move played out. Here, bull market, bear market. We were following this expansion trend line, or this expansion phase. Price went to the second halving in 2016. What happened after that? We got attracted back towards this expansion trend line one last time before starting with an actual parabolic move. So same thing has happened again and again. Each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin before and after the halving has tested the support from this expansion trend line, only after that trend line, it has resulted in an actual bullish move. So if you look in our case, we have already ended this halving phase. I mean, fourth halving 2024 has already happened. So if this year is going to play out just like from this past price action, you can see this was our final pullback, a bigger pullback, right? And now we are expecting a continuation like this to play out. So in a bigger picture, you can see a pullback is going to give us a buying opportunity because the price looks very, very bullish. Yes, guys, in a bigger picture, the price of Bitcoin actually looks very, very bullish. So in the medium short term, even if the bearish continuation starts playing out, price of Bitcoin gets attracted around 80, 85,000, please do not get confused. That might be just a temporary pullback. And after that, and right after that, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to continue with this actual bullish move. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, price of Bitcoin actually looks very bullish. So any sort of a pullback in the medium short term could be giving us a buying opportunity. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description, because this is a free money, guys. And if you want to take advantage of this market volatility and also trade with free money, then definitely check the video description, because the time is running out. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.